Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on this post notification bell so you never miss one of our videos. But today we will be doing a fidget video. I have some of my fidgets here, and make sure to share these videos with your friends. So let's just get started. So I think I'm just going to start by telling you what they are. So basically, this is a stress ball squishy thing, and it's an emoji. It's kind of slow rising. And then we have this kind of needle type thing with foam balls and Orbeez in it. It's purple and pink. It's super satisfying to squish. And then we have this color changing needle. It changes from blue to pink. I have my two poppets. This one kind of looks like, I don't know what it looks like, but it's really satisfying. I have my blue circle poppet. And then I have my, I forgot what they're called. I don't know what they're called, but it's basically a poppet, but not. And this is what my circle poppet sounds like. And then I have this little chickie. It's fuzzy and I can go like this with it. It's this little baby chick. You can't see it that well, but it is a fidget. And then I'm just looking at all my fidgets right now to see which ones I want to show you. Here's a bounce ball. A bounce ball. It's also kind of squishy. It kind of looks like a galaxy. And then, and then I obviously have marbles to put in here whenever I pop it. I don't know how much more I have. Oh wait, I have one more thing to show you. And I also have this triple simple dimple, and then I have a duo simple dimple. And this one's also really good. Well, the first side isn't, but this side is. So I have a triple simple dimple, and I think that's all the fidgets I have. But I'm just gonna get started with the poppet. I'm gonna grab my marbles. Oh, sorry, my bounce ball is running away. I'm gonna start by putting in marbles. So let's just put a few in. I don't know where they're gonna go, basically. Oops. Okay, and now I'm gonna try to flip it over. I don't know where they are. But here's one of them at the top. There's another one, and there's another one. There's another one. And that's all I put in. And now let's do it for the other side. Oh my god, no, don't roll away. Okay. I'm gonna pop these. I'm gonna put a few in here. One moment. Just all of you get in a hole. Okay, sorry, I'm putting all of them in a hole still. Just like this. And now let's pop it. Oh, there's one, there's one, there's one. There's one. There's one. So that's where they were this time. So guys, now I'm going to do this triple one. I'm just showing you what they sound like basically. This one doesn't really have a loud click, it has a neutral click. You all know basically what this one sounds like. This one's a really good poppet. I have a lot of other poppets, so I just don't have the time to show you. It's a really good poppet. And then I have my triple simple dimple. That side isn't really loud. It's that side that gets it going. Then I have my dimple duo. And it basically sounds like this. One side is kinda not very good. You know what that sounds like? This is what this sounds like whenever you bounce it on the table. You can't really hear what this sounds like, but I'm just gonna show you. It's basically just a Nito with color changing in it. You maybe even hear what this one sounds like. I don't know if you could hear that. Didn't you hear my little chickie, which it doesn't sound like anything. And basically this, which is just a squishy, so it won't sound like very much unless it's really sticky. There's a hole in its head. But I think that's it for now. Like I said in the beginning, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn those post notification bells so you never miss a video. And share all of our videos with your friends. Bye!